Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can use display driver uninstaller so you can uninstall graphics card drivers, whatever it is, AMD or Intel or Nvidia. It works for all of them, and it works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. And this program, you will fix some issues with stuttering or FPS drops or driver conflicts, so it's really good program to use it, so you can uninstall the drivers of old GPU before installing the new one. Okay, so the first step is to download the DDU or display driver uninstaller. This website will be available in the description, this guru3d.com. So for here you just go scroll down, and here you click on this or this one, download mirror EU or USA, whichever is closer to you. So I'm gonna choose USA, and it should start downloading. If it's not automatically downloading the file, then click on here. If it say here, click on this one, and it should download automatically. And here is the file that we received from the internet. Now, after you've downloaded the DDU file from the internet, then you need to enter in safe mode, because that's recommended by the developer of this program. And you also need to disconnect from the internet, so we are all set up now. We don't have internet connection, so just plug in your LAN cable, and here this will need to be done in the safe mode to be the best. So I'm gonna close. And now how do you enter in safe mode? Is go to start, and now you're gonna hold shift while you are pressing the restart button. So just keep holding the shift button and don't release it until you press restart. And after the restart you can release the shift button. So now the PC should be restarting. And here we're gonna go to troubleshoot and go to advanced options. And here we go to startup settings. And here, this is what we need, enable safe mode. So click on restart, so your PC restarts again. Okay, so after your PC restarted, then we need to click number 4 on our keyboard to enter the enabling the safe mode. So I'm gonna press number 4, and Windows should now go in safe mode. So we're just gonna wait for it to enter in safe mode. And now here we go in safe mode. So make sure if you have password, you go and type in your password if you have. And now how do you know it you are in safe mode? As you can see here in the corners, in all 4 corners is safe mode. So now you are truly in safe mode. So this is where we need to be. So now we go and launch the file where you downloaded the file before. So for me it's here in downloads, and now we right click on it and go to extract all, and I'm gonna leave everything like default, go to extract, and then here again we're gonna double click on this 7-zip version, DDU version 18, and here we're gonna press on run and click here on extract, and again we click on DDU here and display driver uninstaller. And this is the program that we need. So this seems the first time you launch a DDU, so we just click on OK here. And if this pops up, so I'm just gonna recommend you to keep everything default as it is from the program itself. So I'm just gonna close this. And for now we're gonna select device type, which is GPU, and select device. I have AMD card, so I'm gonna use AMD. If you have Nvidia, choose Nvidia, and if you have Intel GPU, then click on Intel. So I'm gonna click on AMD. And now from here you will have 3 options, which is clean and restart, clean and do not restart, and clean and shutdown. So this is the one that I recommend you, which the program itself is highly recommended to use. So clean and restart. So just click on that, and now it's executing the commands here, and we're gonna wait for this to finish. And as you can see, the PC is automatically restarting. So if you're enjoying the video so far and it's helpful for you, then subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. And we're gonna see here, as you can see, the PC is restarting. And now from here you can just go ahead and install the drivers for your GPU, and you can also plug in your internet cable again, and that's pretty much it. If you don't know how you can install the drivers, I will link in the description for installing the AMD drivers for your GPU. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.